Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both devices. Update the Xbox and install the Xbox app on your phone so they speak the same language. Once done, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. Same network is required for discovery. Open the Xbox app and sign in with the same Microsoft account used on the console. This lets the app see the console. Now tap the console icon in the app to start pairing. This initial pairing is the gateway to streaming or casting your phone screen to the Xbox. Now choose how you'll send the phone screen. In the Xbox app, you can pick Remote Play to control Xbox games or Stream to console to cast video from supported apps. Both use the app's console connection. If your phone supports Cast or a third-party AirPlay app, select your Xbox as the target device. Make sure to check resolution and latency settings in the app so performance matches your network. Once configuration is set, hit Connect and allow any pairing prompts on the console to accept the session. Finish by granting the app required permissions for screen, audio, and microphone so streaming works fully. After you connect, test audio and touch or controller input. Make sure the Xbox accepts controller input if you'll play. If you see lag or dropouts, move devices closer to the router, switch bands, or lower stream resolution to reduce bandwidth. If nothing helps, restart the app, reboot the Xbox, and re-pair the account. That reinitializes discovery and typically resolves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.